Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is genuine. Let's learn what it means. Genuine means honest, sincere, and real. A genuine person is truthful and behaves in an honest and natural way. Here's an example. Her genuine concern for others made everyone feel comfortable around her. This means she sincerely cared about other people and showed it through her actions. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word genuine? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.